Year 10 and welcome to Sports Hall. I'm in school this week, so I thought I'd come down to Sports Hall to get my physical activity. I think it's really important that you guys are all still taking part in physical activity, however that may be. So I thought I'd just show you inside school today, just to kind of hopefully bring back some great memories for you about what it was like to be here, and maybe also just see some incredible basketball skills that are taking place as well. So I thought I'd make this video just to celebrate and to go over a few things this half term and some of the challenges that we've faced and that I've seen you guys face as well. So over this time, teachers have been working incredibly hard to put on lessons for you. They're adapting their lessons that they've made previously, and they've put things all right at your fingertips, ready for you to use on your computer, creating new forms for you, creating PowerPoints, creating work for you to write onto. There's an incredible amount of hard work has gone into the lessons that you're taking part in. And it's great to see so many of you taking part in those lessons during this really peculiar time that we're in again. I know that during last lockdown, you guys really impressed me and Mr. Iber, and this lockdown is no exception to that. So every morning when we were at school, we used to go through a value of the day, and I thought I'd talk a little bit about integrity to start with. So integrity is doing the right thing when no one's watching, and oh my God, have you had to do this half term. So while your family are either working from home, or they're out at work working as key workers, or they're looking after your siblings who are also getting homeschooled, you have had to be the older, mature Year 10s that are facing their GCSEs next year in your house. I've seen incredible amounts of integrity from Year 10. It's incredibly important this time that we do the right thing when no one's watching. That is what integrity is. That is what we tell you about constantly at Bridge Academy. So it's important that you're doing the right things, that you're logging onto your lessons at 9 o'clock, 9:45, 11:30, 1 o'clock and 1:45. It's then important that you listen to the teacher speaking for those 10 minutes to get that task. It's then you go off and complete the assignment that the teacher has set you. And of course, if you can't get that done in that half an hour, that's okay. But you do have that 2:30 till 4 o'clock slot to finish it. I think it's vitally important as Year 10 students who are taking part in their GCSEs next year that you are doing the right thing. A massive shout out goes to those 20 students that I'm going to put on the screen now that have constantly showed integrity. They're the top 20 attendees for this half term. So well done to those guys. Not only that, these are the top 20 people that have submitted work for their lessons. So not only are they attending lessons on Microsoft Teams, they're also handing their work in. Or if they didn't get a chance to go to that lesson, they're still submitting the assignment by the 4 o'clock deadline. Now, while I was on integrity, we might as well go through to kindness. So teachers are spending loads of time creating these resources for you. They're showing you kindness by putting these resources at your fingertips. How I want you to show kindness and how I've seen kindness happen this half term is through those students that are getting on their friends' backs. They are being cruel to be kind, essentially. If they see their friend not in their lesson, they are telling them, you weren't in geography today, you missed an important piece of learning that's important for our GCSEs next year. That is kindness. You calling your friends out on things they are missing and telling them to be somewhere next time. Be on time next time because you're missing out on your learning. We should all drag each other through this at this time, showing kindness to each other. That's why I send morning emails to you. That's why we send shout outs to you. Show kindness this week and after half term, not only to your family members, but also to students that are in your classes. Now, hard work. Hard work is what I talk to you about constantly, Year 10s. You are a really hard-working year group. You work non-stop to do the right thing. When I walked past your lessons, it was great to see you all taking part in your lessons and working so hard. You are a hard-working year group. I do not want that to go to waste. Hard work is difficult at the moment. I understand that, but I also understand that you guys are the best at it. Hard work at this time looks like you attending your lessons on time, you working hard for the 30 minutes after the teacher has spoken, you then working hard from 2:30 till 4 o'clock to get your work to that deadline. We understand that sometimes you may get more work than you can get fit into that day in that time. However, you still must submit the work that you have done. That is hard work. You send in work off, your teachers will check it, your teachers will feed back to you, no doubt, how you should improve your work. Every piece of work should be a celebration and a piece of evidence of the hard work that you've taken part in this year. Now, I understand that's difficult at the moment, I really do, and it's quite hard to be motivated at these times. However, your motivation should come from the fact that you guys are sitting your GCSEs next year. and it's really important that we keep that hard work up. Year 10s around the country are in exactly the same situation as we are now. It's vitally important that you use your hard work to show them what you're made of. That when we get back to school and there's a lesson about a topic that you learned about during this period, that you're not using the excuse, oh, that happened when we were at home, I don't remember that. That's not an excuse. Now, our mission statement at Bridge, as you know, is to ensure that all students go to university or equivalent and go on to live a great life. Now, you guys that are working hard are doing everything to get onto that mission statement. You're using your hard work, your integrity, and your kindness to yourself, to others, and to your family members to meet that mission statement. And we are incredibly proud of those people that are doing that. So well done to you. I wish you a restful half term. And if you've been resting the past 6 weeks, I think it's thoroughly important that you go onto your Microsoft Teams, look at your old assignments and see what work you can do to catch up. As I said, year 10s around the country are working hard during this period. And I want to make sure that we at Bridge Academy are working equally as hard. Take care, stay safe, and look after your family members. And stay active.
Let the games begin. Anticipating the main event. The crowd deciding lights get dim, and the show don't start until I step in.
Morning, Year 10. Here we are again, nearly a year later, still doing virtual assemblies. It's a lot colder this time, and I know motivation at this point, including myself, is a lot less than what it was a year ago or even 6 weeks ago when we were in school. But lots of you have continued to do well and stay motivated, and it's really nice to see, looking at this assembly, how many people have stayed motivated and done really well. So keep that up, Year 10, and hopefully we'll be back in school doing an actual assembly in the lecture hall where we can see all of you, and I look forward to that day. But for now, have a restful half term, and I will hopefully see you all very soon. Enjoy your week off and motivation back on that Monday, and a well-deserved rest. Take care, Year 10. See you all soon. Bye bye.